Hey there, homeowners! Welcome back to another episode of Home Maintenance Tips. Today, we're diving into a common garden issue that many of you might be facing. If you've noticed tattered leaves or small caterpillars around your yard, it's a sign that something is amiss in your garden paradise. You might be dealing with a spongy moth problem. These pests can wreak havoc on your plants if left unchecked. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'll show you how to get rid of spongy moths for good, using a combination of manual, biological, and chemical methods. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to protect your garden from these pesky invaders. First things first, let's identify them. Knowing your enemy is the first step in any battle. Spongy moth caterpillars are about 2 inches long and have a distinctive pattern of blue and red dots along their backs. They're quite easy to spot once you know what to look for. If you see these, you know what you're dealing with. These caterpillars can cause significant damage to your plants by feeding on the leaves. Now, let's move on to the solution. Step 1. Manual removal. This is a straightforward but effective method. Grab a pair of gloves and a bucket of soapy water. The soap helps to kill the caterpillars once they're in the water. Pick off the caterpillars from the leaves and drop them into the bucket. This method is time-consuming but can be very effective if done regularly. This is time-consuming but effective. Next up is trapping. Trapping can help you catch a large number of caterpillars without much effort. Set up burlap traps around your trees. These traps are simple to make and can be very effective. Wrap a piece of burlap around the trunk, securing it with a string in the middle. This creates a perfect hiding spot for the caterpillars. Fold the top half over the bottom to create a little skirt. The caterpillars will crawl under the burlap to hide, making them easy to collect and dispose of. The caterpillars will crawl under the burlap to hide, making them easy to collect and dispose of. Step 3. Biological control. This method uses natural predators or bacteria to control the pest population. Bacillus thuringiensis, or BT, is a naturally occurring bacteria that's lethal to spongy moths, but safe for humans and pets. It's a great option if you're looking for an environmentally friendly solution. Spray BT on the leaves where you've seen caterpillars. The caterpillars will ingest the bacteria and die within a few days. It's a targeted and environmentally friendly option. And finally, chemical control. This should be your last resort, but it can be very effective if the infestation is severe. If the infestation is severe, you might need to resort to insecticides. These chemicals can quickly reduce the caterpillar population. Look for products containing spinosad or carbaryl. These are effective against spongy moths but should be used with caution. Always follow the instructions on the label and wear protective gear. Safety first. Remember, persistence is key. Repeat these steps regularly throughout the season to keep the spongy moth population in check. Consistency is crucial in pest control. And don't forget to check your trees next year too. Those pesky moths can return. Regular monitoring can help you catch an infestation early. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you found these tips helpful. With these steps, you'll have your yard spongy moth-free in no time. A little effort goes a long way in maintaining a healthy garden. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more home maintenance tips. We've got plenty more advice to help you keep your home and garden in top shape. Thanks for watching and happy gardening. Remember, a well-maintained garden is